How to activate followers on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the followers feature on Facebook. First of all, you need to open your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account and the Facebook application is also updated to its latest version. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now scroll down and then go to Settings and Privacy. From here, tap on Settings. Once you're in the settings page, scroll down and there you will see the option of followers and public content. Now in this page, you will see the option of try professional mode, which is highlighted in blue color. Tap on it and then tap on turn on, which is also highlighted in blue color. This will activate a follow button on your profile so people can follow you instead of sending friend requests. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.